After more than 3 years of legal battles, Tony Earls has been found guilty of manslaughter in the death of 9-year-old Arlene Alvarez. The jury came to the decision after deliberating for just 1 hour. Anayeli Ruiz was in the courtroom downtown when the jury handed down the verdict. She joins us now live with more. Anayeli.
And he told us why he shot that gun.
Well, guys, they had to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that Tony Earls was reckless on the night of the shooting, and within an hour, the jury found him guilty.
We, the jury, found the defendant Tony Earls guilty of the offense of manslaughter as charged in the indictment.
And that was a judge reading the verdict. Tony Earls had no reaction. During deliberation, the jury did have one question. They wanted to see this video, where you can see 10 shots labeled and hear the shooting. And within minutes of watching that video, they had reached a verdict. The family is not going to speak until the punishment phase is over, but we could see tears as they were walking away to speak with prosecutors. But here's what victim advocate Andy Kahn had to say on their behalf.
And the jury saw basically how we saw the case, that Tony Earls, like it or not, he was reckless in what he did.
Well, this has been a long journey for them. They have been fighting for their day in court since the incident occurred. Tony Earls originally had been no bail for aggravated assault back in 2022, until the family hired their own team, which found new evidence. And Earls was indicted on a murder charge. But the DA's office dropped that and instead filed a manslaughter charge.
And even though they got knocked out on their first round, they just got back up and kept fighting. And it's because of their fight.
Now, Tony Earls could face up to 20 years in prison. Tomorrow, the jury will be deciding that in the punishment phase of this trial. We will also see character witnesses speaking on his behalf, of course, and also the victim impact statement. A very powerful day tomorrow. And of course, we will bring you the very latest right here on KHOU. Reporting live, Anayeli Ruiz, KHOU 11 News.
We'll see who gives those final statements as the trial enters its final phase. Anayeli Ruiz, thank you.